Hello everyone. So today we have a to the power of 2 minus b equals to 21 and b to the power of 2 minus a also equals to 21. These are systems of equation. We're asked to find a and b, but a is never equals to b. So we're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. From our equation, we can say a to the power of 2 minus b equals to 21 to be equation 1. And b to the power of 2 minus a also equals to 21. Let it be equation 2. So in the next step, we're going to subtract equation 2 from 1. That is equation 1 minus 2. And this will become a to the power of 2 minus b minus b, let's put in a bracket, to the power of 2 minus a equals to 21 minus 21. So that here, a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 plus a equals to 0. Minus times minus is plus. So if we group them according to their powers, we're going to have a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 plus a minus b equals to 0. But a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is represented as a plus b and a minus b. I'm going to apply it here. So for this, we're having a plus b and a minus b plus a minus b equals to 0 for this. And a minus b is common to the two terms, so we're going to factor it out so that it becomes a minus b in bracket. This whole term divided by a minus b, what will be left will be a plus b. And a minus b divided by a minus b, what will be left will be 1 equals to 0. If you open up the bracket, we have a minus b, and here a plus b plus 1 equals to 0. And this leaves us with two cases. So that case 1, a minus b is equals to 0, or case 2, a plus b plus 1 will be equal to 0. But here, a is equals to b. But from the instruction, a is never equals to b. So this option is rejected. So from case 2, if we make b the subject of formula, b will therefore be equals to minus 1 and minus a. Thank you for staying tuned. I would like to invite you to subscribe to our channel and like this video to promote us. Thank you. So let's continue. So let's call this equation 3. So here we're going to put equation 3 into equation 1. Equation 1 is given as a to the power of 2 minus b equals to 21. So if we introduce this into the place of b, we now have a to the power of 2 minus into minus 1 minus a will be equals to 21. And if you do this very well, we have a to the power of 2 plus 1 and plus a equals to 21. So this also can be written as a to the power of 2 plus a equals to 21 minus 1. So that we have a to the power of 2 plus a equals to 20. But we are going to write a as equals to 5a minus 4a. 5a minus 4a is a. So if we do this very well, we're going to have a to the power of 2 plus 5a minus 4a equals to 20. If you take 20 to the right hand side, we have a to the power of 2 plus 5a minus 4a minus 20 becomes equal to 0. So from here, what is common is a squared divided by a is a, plus 5a divided by a, that will be 5. And here what is common is minus 4, open a bracket, minus 4a divided by minus 4, what is left is a, and minus 20 divided by minus 4, that is plus 5. Everything equals to 0. Since a plus 5 is common, so we're going to write a plus 5, and what is left here is a minus 4, all equal to 0. So that either a plus 5 is equal to 0 or a minus 4 is equal to 0. And from here, a is equal to minus 5. And also a here is equal to 4. So for the value of b from equation 3, we have b equals to minus 1 minus a. For a equals to minus 5, b will be equals to minus 1 minus minus 5. So that b will be equals to minus 1 plus 5. So that b definitely is equals to 4. And for a is equals to 4, b is equals to minus 1 minus a, b is equals to minus 1 minus 4, so that b is equals to minus 5. So our final answer, a, b, is given as minus 5 and 4, and AB is equals to 4 and minus 5. So to verify this, I'm going to take the first set, AB is equals to minus 5 and 4, and from a to the power of 2 minus b equals to 21. A is minus 5 squared minus 4 equals to 21. Here, minus 5 squared equals to 25 minus 4. Can this be equals to 21? 25 minus 4, this is 21. Indeed, it's equals to 21. So it's true for the first case. And for the second case, AB is equals to 4 and minus 5. Our equation a to the power of 2 minus b equals to 21. A here is 4 to the power of 2 minus 5. Can this be equals to 21? 4 to the power of 2, that is 16 plus 5. Can this be equals to 21? 16 plus 5, that is 21. Indeed, is equals to 21. Also, it's true for the second case. Thank you for staying tuned. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.